the Son terminates by bringing to completion the reasonable soul and body taken from the Virgin's womb, that he can, in fact, bring to completion that created nature by supplying personhood to it from his own person. And by supplying personhood to the created, we'll talk about the mechanics of why we say this in a second, but by supplying personhood, he can terminate, that is, bring to concrete subsistence that human nature so as to even be the one subsisting in it without receiving something from the nature or losing something from his divine personhood or nature in the assumption. Okay, we've gone from a Catholic to a Reformed.
Okay, so did we hear the most important thing there? Okay, he's saying the incarnation is not adding anything. Okay, so what this video is, this is James Dozel here at the bottom. Okay, he wrote an article, a paper called Neither Addition and Neither Subtraction. Okay, and so neither addition, neither subtraction. Talking about how the incarnation happened. He didn't lose anything in the incarnation. Nothing was added to him. Why? As we'll see here in a second, as they go through the paper, because he is an infinite, unchanging, simple, timeless person. Nothing can, right? That's the whole point. Everything I've said, he's going to verify. But he said he terminates a human nature without receiving anything from it, okay? That's very specific. Nothing was received from the human nature to the divine person. No lived experiences, no suffering, no emotions, nothing.
Right. It's funny. They were like, how many people are going to hell because they didn't understand anything that guy said?